Hey guys, my name's Brandon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your website into a Fluid Width website. Fluid Width websites are great because they allow you to not have to create multiple versions of the same website. It allows the browser to use breakpoints to adjust the width of all the elements in your web page proportionally and allows it to work on multiple devices. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your website. This is my personal website, which I built. It has some fluid elements, but does not work great fluidly. So we're just going to go through and update some of the settings. The program that I'm using is Adobe Muse. It is my program of choice. However, use whatever program, web design program, you're most comfortable with. So what you want to do is you want to first make sure that your breakpoints are all set to fluid width and not fixed width. This allows the program to know what you're trying to do. Mine is already set. So then, once you have that, you want to make sure that all of the different elements in your web page are set to responsive width. This allows everything to change proportionally and not overlap with each other whenever your web page is resized to different sizes on different browsers and devices. Photos and things like that, we want to have responsive width and height so that they stay proportional to themselves and don't get stretched out or oblonged or elongated and things like that. What my biggest problem was I designed this for a desktop computer. This was before I learned about fluid width websites. So as you can see, things are side by side, meant for a nice wide screen like my desktop. But then when you do shrink it down to something to a phone width, side by side doesn't really work. What I should have done was block this out a little better by stacking things. This allows things to have freedom to breathe, freedom to move. This just allows them to be able to resize to whatever size they need to on the browser without overlapping or without becoming too small and making things hard to read. You want to keep things easy to read so that your viewer will stay on your site, will enjoy themselves. So good luck designing, guys, and keep it up.